Hey guys, we're at the Westgate Philinvest City, Alabang, Muntinlupa. My name is Matteo and welcome to the Philippine Stars Wheels, your premier motoring authority. Today, we've got an action-packed episode for you guys, which I'm sure you guys are very, very excited about because I am. You ready? I'm ready. Watch this. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. What's the first step, madam?
Well, put on your aprons first. You know, you have to protect your clothes.
Ma'am, can I do that?
Sige. Mag-iba na siya.
What do? I just wrap it?
Just put it all around.
Can I eat that?
You can.
Okay, later.
It's very sweet though.
It has 4 rows. It's powered by a frugal 1.2-liter engine that is Euro 4 compliant and costs only 598,000 pesos. Bike says the MZ45 promises passenger van comfort and cargo truck toughness, stretched to minibus size.
The Mazda CX-9 Sport Touring boasts a technologically advanced and powerful yet frugal engine. Under its hood is a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G power plant, which features a dynamic pressure turbocharger that promises enhanced power. And because it's turbocharged, the heightened performance also comes with fuel efficiency.
Hey guys, I'm on the way. See ya. Alright guys, what's up? It's a brand new episode. I'm here and today's gonna be very different because guess what? We're gonna be doing something very, very new. Angel and I are gonna make some cakes. Yes, I said that right, cakes. And we're also gonna check out the Mini Cooper showroom and check out the cool new cars Mini Cooper has. You ready? I'm ready. Watch this, we're on the way.
Matt, I want to introduce you to Gel Colette.
Hi, hi.
Hi, Jill.
Hi, welcome.
So I call you Chef Jill?
Just gel.
Gel. Okay,
Just Gel,
Hi.
our cake maker.
Wow.
And Gel also happened to be my executive producer back in the day.
Wow.
Yeah, a long, long time
So from
ago.
TV to cake baking.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
This is exciting. I'm very, very excited because it's also our finale of our 5th season.
Absolutely.
And let's make it a little more exciting by making a car cake.
A car cake?
Is that possible?
Yeah, is that possible, Gel? We
Yes.
want a car cake.
Yes.
Talaga?
Yeah, I'll help you out, but
Please,
you're gonna have to help me too. We have the cake here. I'm going to wrap it in some icing and some fondant. Fondant is this material.
Okay.
We,
This is edible, diba?
everything is edible. There are some pre-made decorations
Okay.
so that we don't have such a hard time. This is kind of like advanced already.
This is so awesome. It's a car already
Yes.
with somebody underneath it.
Yeah, there's a
Is he
mechanic.
squashed?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a mechanic.
He's working under, yeah.
And
And
it's the
then,
engine.
yeah.
Oh my God.
We have some tools here to help you out with making a dedication.
Okay.
And some molds here. This mold is going to help you make some gears.
Galing.
Fondant is a kind of icing. The one we make is made here in the kitchen. It's made with marshmallow.
This is
And
made
sugar.
from marshmallow
Yes, you can, well, if you want to pinch it and, I don't,
and bite it.
Okay, let's do this. What's the first step, madam?
well, put on your aprons first. You know, we have to protect your clothes. Whatever you want to do, you can make the shapes here and then...
I think mine's wrong.
You know why? Because it's too big. It's too big. You have to kind of measure how big you want it to be. There, like that.
So, Gel, we're a car show. So, and this is the reason why we want to have a car and a mechanic on
Yes.
our cake.
Yeah.
But you ba, for your business, what type of car do you prefer?
Right now, we hire a delivery service. But if I were to do it on my own, it would have to be a car that has a big trunk. A big trunk because we haul a lot of big stuff like sacks of flour, sacks of sugar.
Ma'am, can I do that?
Sige. Mag-iba na siya.
What do? I just wrap it?
Just put it all around.
Can I eat that?
You can.
Okay, later na.
It's very sweet though. Try to make it just a thin layer, otherwise it'll be too sweet. Then you can turn. Yan. Just hold it straight. Yan.
Well, since we were talking about like the temperature and how it's sensitive.
Yes.
So when you're in a car, dapat ba naka-full blast yung aircon? Para ano?
I would put it on. I would turn on the aircon before the cake even gets there. You can stick the windows.
Okay.
Oh,
You can stick the windows here.
Okay. Do I use glue or something?
Yes, we have this thing called edible glue. There are different kinds of edible glue. You can use this, it's a chemical actually called tylose and water, or you can use a mixture of corn syrup
Okay.
and water also. Just put a little here and then just stick your windows if you like. Okay.
Okay.
If you feel like you've made enough screws and stuff, you can actually airbrush it.
What's that food coloring?
Yes, this is edible food coloring. You can try.
Ma'am, you want me to do that?
Really?
I make pizza.
Ayan, o sige.
Make pizza talaga?
Huh?
Just make it around this stick, like this, like half an inch.
Oh, wow. Marunong
Ang
nga
sipag
siya.
niya.
Sipag niya.
He really knows. Oh, see? No, you really know.
This is my life. I pretend.
Just make sure it's kind of round. Oo. And then, if it's starting to stick na, let's put some cornstarch on it. There.
Mahirap pala to.
Medyo. That's takes a bit of time.
Very intricate.
Like one cake, there are about like 3 people who will actually work together to do it. It's like a blanket. You can have your handprints there. That's your special mark. So I'll keep it there. Once I've wrapped it, we'll just let it settle for a while and then we can decorate it. Yeah,
Would you ever put a cake in your trunk?
I would.
Really?
I think the best place to transport a cake would be your trunk or the floor.
Why?
Never on the
So
chair.
it doesn't...
Because the chair is like this. It's ever so slightly inclined, diba?
Right.
I know, some people think it's gross, put it on the floor. No, it's actually safe there. It's placed in a box, so it'll be fine. If there's really no space and you must put it on the chair, make sure that
Siguro there's a cardboard.
parang there's like a piece of cardboard here. In the States, they have these like triangle cushions that you put. The professional bakers have it there. You put it there just so it's still level. I'm gonna make a little border that you can put around here to cover all the chismis down there.
Cover all the Have you done other cakes na parting?
We've done a lot. Actually, I took a really nice class with this British woman who came over, and she taught us how to sculpt a beetle.
No
A beetle from a block of cake, a block of chocolate cake. It was very difficult. We did it for 2 days. We have some extra parts here, some wrenches.
So cute, the engine fan pa siya.
Here, we saved one so that you can actually put the hand around it. It's up to you, but this is where the hand goes.
Oh, there.
There.
And this is what we have so far.
Nice.
Na lang ang...
Happy fifth wheels. Yeah, baby. It's our fifth season, so it's very, very special. So, of course, we ended with the cake.
Tama.
And we're all gonna eat it and be healthy and jolly together.
Yep.
Yep.
Some people like their cakes shimmery. If you want to put a little shimmer pa, you can do one final.
Can I try the trimmer?
Yeah. So,
And so this is our final product, our liver club.
Yes, yes, yes. Happy 5th wheels. It's our 5th season. It's a very, very important day. So thank you very much, Madam, for having us
thank
here.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Well,
Time to eat. Time to eat.
Time
Should we eat
to
that?
eat.
Can we not eat that? Can we just frame that?
maybe we should just frame it.
All right.
Yeah. So awesome. Oh no, Matt, our next challenge is we have to fit it into
In the car. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Okay.
Let's do that. And to transport our awesome stylish cake, we chose an awesome stylish car, the new 5-door Mini. The new Mini 5-door is like a fashion statement in itself. Special seat surfaces, interior surfaces, and color lines add touches of individualism for the discerning motorist. And our favorite new feature, the fabulous Union Jack design of this Mini's rear lights. And because it's a 5-door, it could easily fit in all your shopping finds and friends. It's a classic example of the big things come in small packages proverb. And true to any Mini, it's practically like a go-kart to drive. And in our case, it's a fun and fancy ride for our precious cake. We're now next to the new Mini 5-door, and it is the moment of truth.
Yes, Job, we have the cake in my hands right now, but the conflict right now is where to put it in a vehicle.
Oh nga, it has to be somewhere flat.
Okay, I follow you.
All right, let's
do
go.
this.
So this time, our best bet is in the trunk.
All right, let's do it, Angel. Let's do it. Boom, boom, boom. Inside
in
cake
your
you go,
hands.
in the Cooper, spacious Cooper.
Okay.
And it's time to go. Where do we deliver it? Your house?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Can I drive?
of course.
Let's do it, baby. Let's go, let's go. Alright. Time to go, time to go, time to go, time to go, time to go. Alright guys, I am now on board the bike MG45 Transporter. Alright, this is one of their top selling vehicles for the bike brand, no? One thing I'm very, very happy about it, it's an H transmission, by the way, and it's been a long time that I actually haven't driven an H transmission.